I have been a really big supporter of Selected. I think what they're doing is really excellent because you can find schools that match what you want instead of getting to the interview and just being like, I don't want to work with these people, or what is going on? Why am I taking my time to do this? I taught in a traditional public school. I taught 8th grade ELA for 2 years as a Teach for America Corps member, and then I taught at a charter school with a very different mission and vision for the school, and then decided that school operations was where I wanted to be. 6 years later, after being a director of operations, I had a dream just last month that the buses weren't running and woke up in a sweat over that stress, which is kind of ridiculous. And I just want you to know that if you're having equally stress-induced dreams about the demo lesson, you're not alone. And we want to think about ways to get it better for you. So we're going to identify what the challenges of a demo lesson are and plan to avoid those pitfalls. Okay? We're going to do that by brainstorming what those challenges are on our wonderful whiteboard. We are then going to identify what components of a successful demo lesson look like. We are then going to share strategies to address the challenges that we identify in these first 5 minutes. Then you're going to have some reflection time. So what does this actually mean for your demo lesson planning? And then we're going to share out and answer any questions that you may have about the demo lesson. Okay?